You mentioned about trials and that you would refer somebody to a trial if you thought there was a drug out there that would help them. I've heard in that area that they still use a placebo in trials, so it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get access to that drug, does it?
It depends what the trial is. In something like a randomised trial, so where we're trying to work out if we give another medication on top of what is our standard of care, or what I would usually be recommending to ladies in that setting, is that going to be better? So we did that in the big trials for the CDK4/6 inhibitors, and certainly that was randomised so that half of ladies got just their aromatase inhibitor and a placebo, and half of ladies got the active drug, so the active medication and an aromatase inhibitor. So that's a randomised trial, so where there is a number of treatment options and you might get allocated to one or the other. Your oncologist may be blinded, which means that they don't actually know which option that you are on. In the setting where you've had more lines of different treatments, we will often do either phase 1 or phase 2 trials where every participant will get the active medication. But they're usually a little bit further down the track in terms of their development, so they might be newer medications. It depends on the type of the clinical trial, and it depends what setting it's in. But we don't do very many trials where it's purely a placebo anymore, because we've got so many different treatments available, and it's unethical to do that.